Today's Saturday. This is like my first weekend really to relax in a long time. Last weekend was ACL, and honestly, it wiped me pretty dry. I'm pretty exhausted, so I'm excited for a chill weekend. So far, I've been spending a lot of time in this room of the house, my living room / theater. But tonight, going to go see Gemini Man with Brandon and finally see that 60 frames per second technology. And then we got Amanda Tegmeyer's birthday, so it's gonna be a good one. And we got a lot of craziness coming up in these next couple weeks, and a lot of business. So let's go. All right, so I know yesterday I said I was gonna be going to Amanda's party and had all these things going on Saturday, and we were gonna go see a movie. Well, I ended up leaving my camera at home, so it's Sunday now. And I'm really off my vlog game, I think. If it's Sunday, what is Will doing? Go ahead and pause this video, I'll let you guess. So, it's Sunday, so it means if you guess this correctly, the answer is weekly planning. Then we got a special thing going on today, so I'm sure I'll talk about that in just a little bit. Be like, whoa. We're heading down to Tempe because today is Todd's actual birthday. So ACL crew is re-meeting up again, and we're gonna have some dinner combined with Sandbox. So it's gonna be like a Sandbox ACL awesomeness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Todd. Happy birthday to you.
Bye, Todd. So Tuesday, and today we're heading out to San Diego to go produce an event. This is the same event that we did in Charleston, whatever that was, a couple months ago. And what's interesting about this event is that we're driving. Phoenix is only 5-hour drive or so away, and because we still have a lot of gear here in Phoenix, we're deciding to drive out for it. So Andrew and I will be taking a road trip. But first, before we do that, it's still a work day. Still got a lot going on. We got our Black Ops meeting. I'm hosting a webinar. I have a lunch meeting. I have my finance meeting. Meetings. So before we hit the road, I'm gonna go get some work done at Press.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Avenida del Rio.
Load-in day. I feel like we live in this truck. Yeah! 5 hours of work gets you all this and all this. So we're just fixing some last minute things and we'll be good to go. Let's go check in on Andrew and see how Andrew's doing. Do the play-by-play with Andrew. Well, down here on the field, we got Andrew Latimer, who's ferociously focusing some color blazes. Andrew, how's it feel to be MVP of the lighting game today?
I can't see.
Do you hear that, folks? When you do such a good job, you work so hard, you just cannot believe the fact that you can do such an amazing job. So pretty much we're gonna tweak this, and we have a couple of small changes to make, and then food. Right, Andrew? Food? Absolutely. It's like, this is how it is at like 6 p.m. at night in Phoenix.
Right.
Now.
For the next 3 weeks before it goes to 40 degrees.
And then it'll drop to like 40. So it's 6 a.m. right now. Our lobby call, which is like the time that we take to leave the lobby in order to head to the venue and make it to the venue on time, 6:15. Actually 6:08. So I got like 7 minutes of work to do down there. I'm gonna pack my backpack and stuff to do my hair, and then we'll be on our way to the venue.
stop dreaming.
All done, so teardown begins. My goal is be done in 35 minutes. So typical event stuff, our truck is here, but we're missing our other truck that's supposed to come and pick up some stuff, so we're waiting. So we're literally playing the waiting game. You guys ready? Yeah. To load it, right, Andrew?
What?
The truck special, where you leave your truck in the middle of the road. And then,
drove by and didn't flag me, so.
That's the good news. This is a fine example of bringing down the right stuff in the right order. And when you tell someone to do something, they don't listen to you. And look at all the inefficiency it makes. So to show you the progress, so that's all the gear, right? That's the progress we have on the truck. If you can tell, there's nothing in it. There's nothing in the truck. Because the one thing that we need to go in first is still all the way up there.
The other two screens.
All right, they're finishing up the truck. I'm gonna go do what's called an idiot check. An idiot check is a standard operating procedure for all AV production companies. Oh, so done. Tomorrow we drive home, yay. Well, I'm back in Phoenix and noon. 5 hours left in the working day, so I'm gonna go to press, a couple meetings, a couple calls, and things. So it's Saturday, which usually I have off, but today you'll notice I'm wearing my Endless Load-In shirt because we have an event. And what's awesome about it, it's literally like right across the street from where I live. So I'm gonna go get some coffee. I was looking at my watch, that's not there. And then walk over to the venue and we start loading, do the show, and I'll be back. So hopefully get some cool shots and fun stories along the way. I don't think I've ever done a vlog since here at this venue since being here, but tonight we're at the Phoenix Art Museum. And what's super cool about this is I remember when we first moved here that it was legit in that we literally grew up in this like neighborhood, so this is like second nature. So it's probably like my 100th event I've done here.
Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop Never stop Never stop dreaming.
So this is the fun part where we play the waiting game. For the last 45 minutes, we've been just chilling because we're all set and ready to go. How you feeling, Andrew? How you feeling, Shane?
Gonna be a good show.
How you feeling, Will? Done, successful event. And now we tear it all down! Woo! So we're all done. And the best part of doing events at the Phoenix Art Museum is getting to walk home. And right now it's like 67, 65 degrees out. So it's pretty amazing. So packing the bags today because heading off to Grand Rapids. Another speaking time. Time to drop some time to drop some knowledge bombs. Ready, Barry? Say bye, Barry. Running a little bit late, but I made it. All right, we're gonna meet up with Brandt. We're gonna grab some dinner, knock out our presentation. Oh shit! And then literally fall while doing that. This is my new favorite place in Grand Rapids. I mean, it's the only place I've been to in Grand Rapids other than the hotel, so. Hopcat. So it's talk day. I gotta go down and grab some breakfast, then meeting up with Brandt. We got 2 sessions today, the AV Smackdown, and also a new session that we're presenting called Extreme Event Tech. Today and tomorrow, something like that. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Also, Carmen lives nearby, so she's gonna come meet up with us. So let's go get some breakfast. Look who joined us.
Wait, is that a video now?
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Idiot check. Idiot check. It's currently almost 4 o'clock. And even though I'm exhausted, I have to work and continue doing work. I have one more meeting at 7 p.m. So yeah, today's gonna be a long day. And we've been this close to an Irish pub the whole time.
There's always an Irish.
Like, it looks like a nice one too.
No matter where you go in the world, there's an Irish pub around the corner.
Last day in Grand Rapids. Just checked out of the hotel and gonna go post up in the coffee shop for a couple hours while I wait for my 2 p.m. flight. So, just a normal day in Grand Rapids. Well, hour and a half delay in Dallas, but luckily I am now back home in Phoenix. And it's Thursday, which means movie night. And because I got delayed, Brandon's all out of work, so Brandon's gonna pick me up at the airport and we're gonna go to watch Terminator. So, yeah, exciting. Hi, Brandon.
I will. This is like super classy because we're going out Halloween. We're going to
I don't have my axe.
Taco Bell.
So it's Friday, and Mahesh is having a Halloween party, so let's go do that. See, guys, I can even scare them, even a coffee shop. So, your team is?
Yeah.
So we're at, it's called Local First Festival. Oh, shit! What's up, man?
Like, yeah, when he gets excited, I'm like, he doesn't do that all day.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's Sunday. Means it's the end to another excellent vlog. Yeah, wow, what a crazy last couple of weeks. So much travel, so many events, so much happening going on. But yeah. I'm gonna have to end this one though, because it's well, it's the end, but also next week is my birthday. I'm turning 30, big 30. So yeah, you guys just have to wait to see what happens that week.